Hello everyone, so today I've got 2 unboxing videos for you all to watch, or rather 3 if you count the main box as well. But basically a few days ago I ordered a couple of things online. They both came today in the same box. So yeah, it's just a plain cardboard box. I taped up my personal details, but let's just take a look inside it. Okay, so once inside, there's nothing else inside here. And we have So, the 2 items I ordered are my new Galaxy Buds Plus let me just take off the receipt, and this Huawei Y9 Prime. This isn't my phone, but I get to unbox it and set it up for you and all that good stuff. So for the second unboxing video, we have the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. I actually wanted the red one, but it is not available in Malaysia, so I settled with black. Let's take a look around the box. On the front, Buds Plus, picture of the buds themselves, picture of the case, and right up here we have Samsung. On the bottom, the barcode, serial number, color, variant and all that stuff. Nothing on the right, nothing on the top. On the left, Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. And on the back of the box, specifications regarding the Buds Plus, what comes inside the box and all that. So, here is a penknife. Let's open it up. There is another tab right here to cut. So now I can open it up. Here we have some stickers. That aside, we have the buds themselves right here, or rather the buds in the case. Right in here we have the USB-C charging cable together with replacement rubber tips for the earbuds as well as the wingtips. And right here we have the quick start guide and warranty card. Alright, so let's take the wrapping off. And there you go. It says Samsung on top. And let me just get the Bluetooth pairing started. I'm now in the Bluetooth menu on my iPhone. Apparently you just open it up and it shows up right there. Let's connect it and it should already be connected. Yep, it is connected. As simple as that. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Thanks for watching and goodbye.